given alpha 1, alpha 2, etc. alpha n, bit number 50, are the roots of this equation. Find alpha n minus alpha 1, alpha n minus alpha 2, and so on. These are the roots. So, listen carefully. X power n plus Pn Px plus Q equal to x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, x minus alpha 3, and so on, x minus alpha 1. So, alpha 1 is a factor, root. So, x minus alpha 1 is a root. Alpha 2 is a root. So, x minus alpha 2 is a factor, and so on. We want this value. Take this one into LHS. X power n plus Px plus Q by x minus alpha n equal to x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, x minus alpha 3, etc. x minus alpha n minus 1. Take limits x tends to alpha n, x power n, Px plus Q by x minus alpha n. Limit x tends to alpha n, x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, etc. x minus alpha n minus 1. This is 0 by 0 form. So apply L'Hopital's rule. Limit x tends to alpha n, derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 plus p x derivative 1 0 by 1 minus 0 equal to RHS. Say, substitute x value n into alpha n to the power of n minus 1 plus p equal to substitute x value alpha n in RHS. Alpha n in minus x1, alpha n minus alpha 2, alpha n minus alpha 3, and so on, alpha n minus 1. So this is the given question. So answer is n into alpha n power n minus 1 plus p. Listen again. These are the n roots of this equation. Find the value of this one. Listen. Corresponding to this root, this is the factor. Corresponding to this root, this is the factor. Corresponding to this one, this is the factor. So take this one into LHS. Into becomes to divide by remaining terms. Take a limit on both sides. X tends to alpha n, alpha n minus alpha n equal to 0. So take L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1 derivative of px, p, derivative of constant, 0, x derivative 1, 0. Substitute x value alpha n minus alpha 1, alpha n minus alpha 2, alpha n minus alpha n minus 1. So this is the answer. X power 4 plus 6x cube minus 16x square plus 24x minus 80 equal to 0. K into root minus 1 is a root. Find the value of k square. This is a root of this one. Find k square value. So this is equal to k into I square. I square value is always minus 1. This is a fixed value. I square equal minus 1. So this is equal to plus or minus ki. Take any one of those two. Ki. So ki is a root. So it must be satisfies the given equation. So f of ki equal to 0. That implies ki whole power 4, 6. Ki whole cube, ki whole square, 24. Ki minus 80 equal to 0. I square value minus 1. I cube value I square into I, that is minus I power 4 value I square into I square, minus 1 into minus 1, 1. So I power 4 value 1, so k power 4. I cube value minus I, minus 6ki. I square value minus 1, minus into minus plus 16 k square plus 24 ki minus 80 equal to 0. There is a 2k terms, k power 4 plus 16 k square minus 80, these three, 1, 2, 3. Take I common, minus 6k cube, 6k cube plus 24k equal to 0. 0 means 0 plus I0. You have a chapter in the senior inter, that is complex number. In that chapter you get this point. This is called a real part. This is called a imaginary part. When there is I, it is called imaginary part. When there is no I, it is called real part. So real part are equal, or imaginary parts are also equal. So take these two, minus 6k cube plus 24k equal to 0, minus 6k cube equal to minus 24k, minus minus cancel, k cancel, 6, k square equal to 24. He wants k square value. K square equal to 24 by 6 equal to 4. Again, given this is a root, I square value minus 1, under root I square equal to plus or minus I. Take any one of those two, plus ki or minus ki. F of ki equal to 0, ki whole power 4, ki whole cube, ki whole square, ki. I square value minus 1, I cube value, I square into I, minus 1 into I, minus I power 4, I square into I square, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. So, I power 4 value plus 1, I cube value minus I square value minus 1, minus into minus plus. So, divide into two parts, k power 4, 16k square minus 80. This is called a real part. Take I common from these two, minus 6k cube plus 24k. This is called a imaginary part. 0 is nothing but 0 plus I0. Equating these two, plus 24k becomes to minus 24k. Minus minus cancel, 1k cancel, 6k square equal 24. K square value 24 by 6 equal to 4. Given roots of this cubic equation are in GP, then find q cube by p cube value. Roots are in GP, so take a minus r, r are the roots. When roots are in AP, a minus d, a plus d. In AP, we calculate S1, AP. In GP, we calculate S3. So, S3 equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus d by a by r, r equal to minus 8, a value 1, r cancel, a cube equal to 8, that equal to 2 cube. So, a value is 2. A is nothing but the root, that is the value of x. Substitute this x value in equation number 1. So, f of 2 equal to 2 cube 3 into p into 2 square plus 3 into q into 2 minus 8 equal to 0 plus 8 minus 8 cancel 12 p plus 6 q equal to 0. 6q equal to minus 12p. Q by P. Q by P equal to minus 12 by 6. Q by P equal to minus 2. Therefore, Q by P whole cube equal to minus 2 whole cube. Q cube by P cube equal to minus 8.